am here to talk to you about this supplement that has been helping people to lose weight. Basically, Mitolyn targets your mitochondria function, and this is an enzyme in our cells that is responsible for both fueling up our bodies, helping us to also burn down stored fats, and becoming slimmer and healthier. So Mitolyn is amongst us, and let me just tell you that so many people started using this dietary supplement and are actually getting fantastic results. I mean, Mitolyn is like really big for weight loss, but did you know it also brings other health benefits to the table? And that's why I think this is a fantastic supplement. I'm here to talk to you about it, and I want to give you all the details about Mitolyn before you start using it. So there's something really important you need to know about it. It is the purchasing part, like where to get the original one, that you're going to actually be receiving the original one and not be frustrated about it. And that's on their official webpage. So I know these official web pages are really hard to find at times. So that's why I left for you their link in the description box of this video. Just scroll down a little bit and it's right here somewhere, okay? But as I was saying, guys, the interesting thing about Mitolyn is that it holds 6 powerful natural ingredients extending from theobroma cacao, Amla, Maqui Berry, Schisandra, astaxanthin, and Rhodiola rosea as well. All of these ingredients help you to boost your mitochondria function. And the minute your mitochondria is actually, working better again, it understands that it needs to start to melt off fats from your bodies. So it helps you to target those unwanted fats like localized fats, visceral fats, stored fats. And at the same time, it is boosting your metabolism and it is helping you with energy, helping you to regain that energy that you've lost. So it's really, really interesting. So this is its #1 main benefit, all right? But Mitolyn actually holds so much more. This powerful dietary supplement helps you to fix up your liver, and we know that our liver helps us to have healthier skin, basically rejuvenating our looks, helping us to look a lot younger and a lot healthier. It is fantastic for the health of our heart, cholesterol level, and blood pressure. It is aphrodisiac. It is energy restoring, immunity boosting, and it's great for our digestive system and our vision too. So Mitolyn, it is just this powerful dietary supplement that is 100% natural, okay? There is absolutely no side effects to it, and that's why I think this is like something really, really special, because it holds no chemicals in its formula. I mean, it is FDA approved in a GMP certified facility. They got quality. They gave it lots of test runs. They did the best they could to create a supplement thinking about people who are overweight and not healthy. So the minute you are using Mitolyn, take your treatment seriously. Do not skip out on any days. And it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee as well should you need a refund. So run over to this link to learn more about Mitolyn. Give it a shot, and I know you're not going to regret it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.